Tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is your ultimate solution for easy, delicious meals. This powerhouse isn't just a pressure cooker, it's also a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sterilizer, and even a sous vide machine. Imagine replacing 9 different appliances with just one sleek, counter-friendly device, saving you time and valuable kitchen space. Cooking has never been simpler thanks to its 15 customizable smart programs for everything from soups and chili to poultry and cakes, all at the touch of a button. No more guessing or complicated recipes. These presets ensure perfect results every single time, even for beginners looking to buy their first multi-cooker. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot offers superior heat distribution and is incredibly easy to clean, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a game changer that streamlines your cooking process, allowing you to create gourmet meals with minimal effort. Ready to upgrade your kitchen experience? Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus for yourself by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone searching for the best kitchen appliance for busy families or looking to buy a reliable multi-cooker, this truly offers incredible value. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have for 2025, guaranteed to transform your cooking and simplify your life.